Hello ma'am, I'm Katarina Rizia Rinjani from 9P number 8. Today, I will explain about the two conversations in M1. The first dialogue is about Martha and Mario. They thank each other. Martha thanks Mario for helping her with the inspiring speech, which was his idea. Mario thanked her for appreciating him when she said that he is a great best friend and a talented writer. In the second dialogue, Lulu and Ken talks about getting a scholarship. Lulu explained the requirement for getting a scholarship and give him a recommendation to help him improve, wishing him luck. Ken is grateful for her support and prayers. So, in conclusion, both dialogues express appreciation and gratitude. Thank you.